I was just sent this 7-foot snow flocked Christmas tree. This is gonna be so pretty for the seasons. It came super easy as far as putting it all together. You've got your base here that folds up, which will be really nice for storage. Everything here to be able to lock it all in place with your nice little things here. To set it up, very easy. They each are tagged on the top here, so to show you which level to use it at. You've got A, B, and C. This has a nice little grip at the bottom, so that way you don't have to worry about it scratching your floors. So we get it set up. All you've got to do is just pick it up and sit it in place. Now this is a lighted tree, so it will plug in. As you see, the snow kind of comes off. It is super realistic looking. And as you put it in, they will just fluff right out. So we're just going to put each one in separately. Then we will build the 7-foot tree. Now this has over 1,000 branches and it is pre-lit. So you can have it all lit up and beautiful at night. And all you got to do is just plug it in. So slides right in place, just pull them all down, and then you can separate all of the branches. But this snow is really pretty. I mean, you're gonna have to vacuum up a little bit when you're done, but I think it will be worth it because it is super realistic looking. So we are gonna get this all put in, plug them all together, and then we will kick off the lights and show you how it looks. So I've got the tree all put together. This can easily be moved around with these nice metal limbs. So you can just arrange them however you want. It's got the nice snow all over and super easy to put together. You just connect the two pieces within the little wires in there, and then we plug it in. So when you plug it in, you've got these beautiful warm LED lights, and there are 450 of them. So when you turn off the lights, you see it at night. It has this nice, beautiful glow. It shows all this nice snow on here. So it'll be so pretty when you get it all decorated up with some ornaments and be ready for the festive season.